Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Biswick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Biswick. This week we're doing the long-awaited video comparing the JBL Tune 510 and the JBL Tune 560. Enjoy the video. So if you're watching this video just to find out which pair of headphones is better than the other between the JBL 560 and the JBL 510, then the JBL 510 is the winner. But if you'd like to stick around and find out the reason why the JBL Tune 510 is better compared to the JBL Tune 560, then stay tuned. My name is Tyson. So the first thing that I'd like to look at is the design. These two headphones are quite identical to an extent that you may not be able to tell the difference. They both do not have audio jacks. Owning these two pair of headphones, I found it difficult to tell the difference, especially when I want to use one or the other. So the only way that I can tell these two headphones apart is by looking at the charging ports. So the JBL Tune 510 has USB Type-C, while the JBL Tune 560 is using the micro USB type charger. The bass ducts are on the very same position and the both headphones do not have an audio jack. There's another difference that I'd like you to pay attention to. If you look at the font that was used for the left and right markings inside the ear cups, that's the other difference that I've noticed. There's a smaller font on the JBL 510 while the larger font was used on the JBL Tune 560. So those are the two differences that you'll find in as far as the design is concerned. Number one, the USB type, and number two, the font that was used. Based on this design, I would recommend both to be used in an office setup, but if you need a pair of headphones to use for exercising or for running, I wouldn't recommend any of these two headphones. And as far as the design is concerned, I would give a plus to the 510 because of the USB Type-C. Let's move on to sound. In as far as sound is concerned, 510s take the prize for me. They have better sound quality, better bass compared to the 560. 510 are going to sound a bit more defined as compared to the 560. 510 wins on the bass quality, the sound quality, spoken word, and the volume levels are slightly better compared to the 560. Both headphones do not have noise cancelling, so that's something that you should keep in mind. Both headphones are over ear, so the sound leakage is quite managed as long as you have your ear cups over your ears. The moment you take them off, there's a bit of sound leakage, especially on high volumes, so that is something that you should keep in mind. Let's move on to the mic. The microphone quality on both headphones is quite terrible. For the avoidance of doubt, I'm going to share with you the audio recordings that I did on both headphones. I will let you be the judge. Listen to the following recordings. This audio recording was recorded using the inbuilt microphone on the JBL 510 BT pair of headphones. This is an audio recording recorded using the inbuilt microphone on the JBL 560 BT pair of headphones. So based on those recordings, I'm sure it goes without saying that these headphones are not meant to be used for Zoom meetings or Skype meetings, or if you're going to be online gaming or taking online classes, because the microphone will have haptic feedback and they'll also not sound as clear as you'd want them to sound. So if you have a question on which ones are the best for online learning, then none of these headphones really does it for me. Let's move on to the battery. The battery life is where it gets interesting. JBL Tune 510 boasts a 40-hour battery, while the JBL Tune 560 only lasts 16 hours. If you have a question whether or not these hours are accurate, I can confirm that the JBL 510 lives up to the expectation of 40 hours, and I only charge them at least once a month. I do not have to keep them on charger, and when I charge them for about 2 hours to get to full charge. The JBL 560, on the other hand, is only going to last you 16 hours. If you're interested in longer battery life, then go with the JBL Tune 510. Price. JBL Tune 510 is actually cheaper than the JBL Tune 560 despite all the advantages. It's going for about $49 while the JBL Tune 560 is going for about $52 US. So all in all, after taking everything into consideration, I would recommend the JBL Tune 510 because the mic is slightly better compared to 560. It has better battery life. The comfort is the same. The sound quality is better on the 510 and the bass is better on the 510. 510 has USB Type-C compared to micro USB on the 560 depending on what you prefer between the two. But I'll definitely go for USB Type-C any time of day. The price is better on the 510. The sound leakage is the same and they both do not have noise cancelling. So based on the information, you can now make an informed decision, but I basically would recommend the JBL 510 if you have these two to choose from. This has been Tyson Bizwick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson and I'll see you on the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.